Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this quite stunning Mercedes-Benz E220 AMG line edition premium. Now this is the final run out of this particular shape, and this one has to be the nicest I've seen in quite some time. Finished in the brilliant blue metallic. What a car, what a colour. Yes, yes, yes. Now the car itself's got some very, very nice optional extras and is loaded with specification. Lovely mileage, just over 50,000 miles from new. But let's take a look around it, and I'm sure by the time we finish you're going to be very, very well impressed. Now the brilliant blue paintwork just sits so wonderfully on this particular age of car. I do think that the colour came out about 2016, so quite a recent colour to Mercedes-Benz. And then in the final edition that they did with these cars before the new model came out, they were just gorgeous in the correct colours. So the car itself's got the upgrade 19-inch double spoke alloy wheel. Now they're shod in fantastic tyres. This car's just had a new set of front discs and a set of front pads, and serviced as well in our own in-house service department. It had recent rear pads and discs as well at around 50,000 miles, so 3,000 miles ago. On the front we've got the intelligent LED light system, as you can see there. I'll turn the car on once the video at the end and you'll see the signature lights very similar to that of the new model. We get the F1 style front spoiler down there on the front bumper. We get the diamond encrusted style grille. Panoramic glass roof as well on this one. So the two external features are a must, the 19-inch wheels and the full sliding glass opening panoramic glass roof. I've got the windows down on this so you can see the coupe lines of it, but what a wonderful looking vehicle. When I take a look down the passenger side, there is no trolley dents, there's no marks really. It is a real, what would I say, a real testament to the last keeper's ownership. This car's also got front and rear parking sensors as well as reversing camera. Do like that little boot spoiler on it, just adds to the AMG line edition look. And taking a look at the rear tailpipes there, what we do have is the twin tail exhaust system and rear diffuser. LED style rear lights as well are very, very nice. Looking down the driver's side, that mirrors the passenger side, and that again is in lovely order. But just look at those windows open there on a nice sunny hot day, as good as a convertible really. The Pan Am glass roof folds and rolls back. I've just got it tilted at the moment, but inside you've got then the glass roof both in the rear and also in the front. The front sunroof folds over the top of the rear and still gives you that nice view out from the car. But when I open this door, that's where this car really shows the quality and the effort that Mercedes-Benz put into the final run car. So not only is it in brilliant blue, but the stitch then on the car is also in silver and brilliant blue. And I think that is absolutely stunning. That then follows through onto the seat. We've got the extended seats and we've also got the orthopedic seats, so you can adjust them on the back, on the base, so it fits around. You've got the holes, the semi-aniline as we call it in the trade, that allows the leather to breathe around you, not making you sweat. And then that blue stitch and white stitch follows through, and again onto the headrest. Just the attention to detail by Mercedes in this car. The last of the E-classes, in my opinion, are probably the best built cars. So when you come round to the door edges, just the chrome, this is metal now. That's metal, guys, not plastic. The aluminium is still metal on the door trims. We've also got the Harman Kardon surround sound system, so you can have yourself a little disco in there when you're driving along. But just when you look into that car there, you are going to be happy. You're going to smile every time you open the door of this car, and you're going to think, wow, this is my car, let's go for a drive. So as I climb into the car, this has got the keyless system. So I've got the keys in my pocket there, everything comes into life. I'll put my foot on the brake pedal and that'll start her up. We've got automatic headlamps, we've got then the paddle shift on the steering, we've got electric steering column speed limiter, and also cruise control, leather trim multifunction steering wheel. I'll just close that door. The mileage on this particular vehicle is 53,971 miles, so that's fantastic low mileage for a car of this age. Heated seats, We've then got the digital climate control and air conditioning. We've got DAB radio. This has got the command system as well, so a very, very nice satellite navigation system on this particular vehicle. We've got Bluetooth phone, we've got media player, so you can play your device through that. Very, very nice indeed. Parking sensors on the front, that's the front bumper. There's one of those up on the ceiling as well. And then we've got, as I select reverse, then we do have the reversing camera as well, which is a nice factory option. But fully loaded with very, very desirable features. Aluminium, and the dark aluminium that runs through this just sets it off. Passenger seat again is in as new condition. As you can see over there, the drivers and passenger seats are electric memory and heated. Harman Kardon.
Festival, and we're walking to it. I said to
so your sound system is lovely. Let's see if we get a bit of music. Nice bit of bass there. But yeah, a sound system to die for, really, Harman Kardon, isn't it? Especially in a car. If you like your music, get the best, if I say. So, have a look in the rear of it. Very, very lightly used, these cars. You can see the electric seat just slides forward. And then you see this rear seat. Follows, again, the contrast stitch around. But the inside of this is lovely. Very, very lightly used in the back of this car. Very, very nice indeed. Put the chair back and then it just slides back to the last set stage where it was. Auto dim exterior mirrors. Boot space, if you've got your golf clubs, you might have your various stuff. But the seats are 60-40 split as well. And then hopefully underneath there, we've got the AdBlue, etc. This is an AdBlue car. Gosh, it's an early one then. So, what a lovely, lovely car. Everything's there. Have a look on the website. All the service documentation's there. Just been serviced, just been MOT'd for 12 months. We've got the previous service documentation, 2 keys, book pack, the intelligent lighting system, there you go. Put a private number plate on this car, and I would say arguably it does look as good as new. So, if you'd like to reserve this one, give us a call here in Wigan. We take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That means if you get to Wigan and it's not for you or it's misdescribed, we will refund that deposit back to you. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, we can do that as well. But everything is fun and pleasurable when you're buying a car from Alpha Motors. Have a look at our reviews. You'll see that we've yet again won highly rated Dealer of the Year with Car Gurus and Auto Trader for customer services. And also take a look on our Facebook. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars from us. So, I'm Graham, there's Lee, and there's Dom. We're all on the sales team. We'll be happy to help you in any way. So just give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.